Yeah. Hi guys. Okay. Today we are going to explain the scenario of IT guy, and my team members are Sudan, me, myself, Narendra, and Monsoon, and so we are the IT company. We are the IT team recruited by the advertising agency, and we have been contracted first no man. We got the contract of data migration of the IT advertisement company, data migration of IT for this advertisement company, and the staff are like 20 people. So we'll be running as an IT head for those 20 people, and we will be reporting directly to our general manager, and we don't need to explain to anyone, and we'll be running data migration from of this company, and the project for the given as in the deadline is for 3 months. So like guys will be helping you guys with the IT as well, and we'll be doing you guys, and this is our main project. The issues we are facing nowadays is the team members are coming to us with small problems, like my screen is frozen, and my internet is too slow, and I've deleted something by mistake. How can I get it back? But these are the simple problems, and we can solve them. That's not an issue. But due to this solving these simple problems, we are getting behind of our work. So this is making delay in our work, but we have given a deadline of 3 months to complete the work. So these are the main issues we are facing by the staff members. That's it. And now I'll just send it to my friend Sudan to explain furthermore to how to solve these issues and how to solve them by using agile techniques.
Thanks, Narendra. As Narendra had discussed about the different issues which is negatively affecting the stakeholders and our project, to complete our project on time. So that I'd like to discuss about the agile methodology approach, which can help us to create the sprints, as agile methodology is dependent on the sprints, so that we can divide the tasks into different sprints and prioritize the tasks into high level and low priority, so that the high priority tasks can be done first and low priority tasks can be done accordingly. And the different issues that are arising, as discussed by the Narendra, are kind of low priority tasks, and the high priority task is the migration of database that is given by our client. And the best practice to use the agile methodology approach can be like setting priorities, maintain a small release cycle, using pair programming, refactor, use test driven development, which can benefit the stakeholder engagement and satisfaction, and which can focus on the values, which can focus on the company, which can improve the quality. And the different kinds of issues, the normal issues that may arise from the employees, from the staffs, like screen is frozen and etc., that is already said by Narendra. And for those issues, we can create a process like allowing employees to report an issue to us, so that we can handle the issues, and we can guide them and encourage them to overcome and solve those issues by their own, so that if something happens in future, if the same problems occurs in the future, so that they can resolve the same problems again, and also make it possible for us to solve, or make them solve their problem by their own. And if they cannot solve the problem, we will assist them as soon as possible, so that they will help us on the completion of the project, to finish the project on the given time frame. And for further discussion, I'd like Monsoon to carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudan. Now I would like to continue this part of the presentation. As both of my friends, they have they are talking about the issue and the techniques to mitigate the risk. Now I would like to add up how does we can minimize the positive outcome so that we can get the positive outcome in the customer satisfaction. So first of all, I would like to talk about how can we measure the success. So for this one, we can measure the positive success by the effective communication among the customer through the customer relationship that can build up the good relationship, as well as the satisfaction between the employee and the employer, as well as the trust and as well as the trust and understanding, as well as the mutual understanding between the staff. And not only this one, furthermore, I have to explain more about how can the agile technology, it has provide positive impact upon the customer life cycles. And as per the discussions, I will like to add up some of the points, like the customer life cycles, they can be enhanced because when we try to mitigate the measures, then we involve all the people, all the staff, all the internal customers, and it increases the customer engagement. So that is also the one positive outcome. Furthermore, it improves the quality of a business, so that we can hope for the positive outcome, as well as there will be the collaboration, because it will increase the ability of a customer to engage upon the problems and to tackle the problems, as well as to find out the some good solution for them. Now I thank you.